Jax, Jax, Max, come and play. Let's learn something new today.
Emily, Emily, far away in Australia where she loves to play, swimming in the sunshine, happy as can be, playing with her puppy Charlie by the sea. Jax, Jax, Max are on their way, flying through the sky today, over oceans big and blue, coming all the way to you. Emily, Emily, laugh and sing, splashing in the water, what fun you bring. Charlie runs beside you, wagging all day long, together in Australia singing this happy song. Jax, Jax, Max have come to play in the sun so bright today, swimming, dancing, having fun, a joyful day for everyone. Emily, Emily, hip hooray, Charlie barks and wants to play. Jax, Jax, Max are here with glee, best friends smiling happily.